As part of L3 Technologies' continued investment in Australia's defence industry, the company recently expanded its Defence, Design and Engineering Centre in the heart of Melbourne. The expanded facility improves on L3's existing naval communications and platform system integration capabilities in Australia for programs such as the Collins-class submarines, Canberra-class amphibious assault ships, and the recently awarded contract for the Australian offshore patrol vessel. Local industry and government officials recently gathered together to celebrate L3's growing presence in the country.
For over a decade, we've been providing the Royal Australian Navy and the Royal New Zealand Navies innovative and new integrated capabilities. This expanded facility will take us into the future by housing the engineering, talent, innovation, and capabilities necessary to deliver to the future systems of the Australian Defence Force. In 2016, we expanded our facilities, moving from Hawthorne just next door. In just 18 months, we've outgrown that facility, and now we're occupying a facility that's 250% larger. In the coming years, we have plans to expand both our South Australia and Western Australia capabilities as we ramp up to support the production and the life cycle maintenance of Australia's fifth-generation Navy.
L3's enduring relationship with the Australian Department of Defence was recognized by the Minister for Defence Industry, the Honourable Christopher Pyne, who was the special guest for the facility expansion ceremony.
Well, we're making a huge investment in our military capability in Australia, $200 billion over the next 10 years, our largest in our peacetime history. But we want to do as much of that here in Australia as possible because we want to have our own sovereign capabilities and be a better ally to the United States and our friends around the world. So building that capability is central to the ambition of the Australian government. Companies like L3 have capability that we need, and we're delighted to see them expanding here in Australia, winning contracts locally, winning export contracts into the future, and we want to help them do that by giving them stability, consistency of approach to government policy. It's important to L3 and that's important to us, and then over time, of course, we'll be able to export that capability to our friends and allies around the world right here from Australia.